Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Uh, this video was requested from a friend that he wanted to learn about how to integrate the Docker and CyberPanel, Docker within the CyberPanel. So I thought it would be beneficial for all other people as well. So let's get started. So I would not start with the installation of CyberPanel or how to initiate instance. If you want to see about that, there is my another video about this where I started from initiating the instance, cloud instance, and installing the CyberPanel. You can start from. You can look. You can view that video. I will share in the description, and you can see the card as well. So after you install the CyberPanel, this is the dashboard you will get, and if you go to this sidebar, there is a Docker Manager menu. You can select any item from this, like manage images. Since we don't have Docker installed in the CyberPanel, you can select this button to install it, and you can see the log after it's completed. So after the Docker is installed, you will see this stream of manage images. So there is another tutorial from official CyberPanel site. You can follow that as well. I will share this link in description as well. So first step was to open Docker on CyberPanel that we did already, we completed. And now in this tutorial they are installing Nextcloud, so we will also use this Nextcloud. Here you can select any image like Nginx or Apache, any image you can select that will pull up from the Docker Hub. So here the verified Nextcloud image is available. You can select the latest one and pull this image. It will take some time to download and load this image. So let it complete. Okay, so after that is completed, you will see the image will show up here in the list. Create container after that, and select the tag as latest what we downloaded, pulled the image and create. Select the user to which this image you want to assign, and here it will be the RAM you want to assign to this container. So this is the port forwarding, this is the port within the container, and this is the port outside outside the container, what we are having in this like external port. So this will be the external port, like 8090, what is assigned to the CyberPanel. So if you follow this tutorial, you will see they are using port 90. If you go to this image and save it, here they are using port 9000. I will also select 9000. You can select any port, external port can be any port. And make sure this port is already forwarded in your cloud as well as in your instance. So after this, there are some configuration which is already pulled from the official Nextcloud image, and we don't need to modify anything. Its default will work. So after that, you can map the volume as it's shown here. So here it's using website as a subdomain of CyberPanel. So let's create it first. Okay, let's select the latest PHP version also and select all these. It will take some time to create this website. Okay, so this is successfully installed. So we can copy this website, and now we can go to create new container and select this latest and create. You can select the owner and RAM you require for this container. This depends normally on the number of users you are having for this application. So, currently I'm selecting 1 GB and 49,000. So now we will add the destination. Okay, so then you can create container. Okay, so after the container is created, you can start that container. So here it's successfully running now, and if there is issue, it will show as exited or something, some error message here. Since this is available now let's start this So it's now successfully, you can see this Nextcloud is installed within the Docker. Here you can select any user and install the Nextcloud. Here, Nextcloud will recommend some applications if you want to install along with Nextcloud. Currently, okay, let's go ahead with installing those as well. Okay, so this is done now. So Nextcloud, you can start using it. And this is all within the Docker. And if you want any other container, you can use a similar procedure, like search any container like Nginx or Apache and forward even. So if you want me to explain, if you are having any issues using any container, or creating it using the CyberPanel or Docker, I can help you with. Just mention in your comments in this for this video, and I will surely respond to that, or if required, I can make a video for that. So this is all for now. I hope you this video would be helpful for you, and please subscribe and share to all other people, because this might help any other people who are looking for any help. Thank you for watching this video. uh, Thank you for watching this video. See you soon.